I have been meaning to do this for such a long time because you guys have been sending me so many requests to do a sleek hairband tutorial. So guys, you have it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Manmeet and I post fashion educational videos for you to get inspired and look like $1,000,000. Today's hair tutorial is on the sleek hairband, which I've been wearing in almost all my videos, but I never really took the time out to shoot it and tell you exactly how I do it, because it's almost become something like how you wear your ponies, which is with your eyes closed. Similarly, because I've had so much practice in this, I can literally do this in a minute without even looking in the mirror. But today's video, I'm going to show you in detail how you basically can get this lovely versatile hairband, which goes not only with your Indian outfits, it goes with your Western outfits. It is perfect for a black tie event. It is also one of the most beautiful hairstyles you can wear for a wedding function. Anyways, moving on to the hair tutorial, all you need is your hair. I'm getting a lot of hair fall and I've been using the shampoo from BBlunt, which is quite nice. It's definitely saved my hair from all that hair fall, which is lovely. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Okay, so this is the texture of my hair. I'm using the front camera because I don't have a mirror here, so I'm not going to be constantly looking into the camera, but I will look into the screen and look at myself. Okay, so this is my hair right now. Today is the third day, so which means that post the workout I am going to wash my hair. That's my length. Let me show you from the back as well. This is the length of my hair, which is almost shoulder length. So let's do this. Now, first and foremost, this is also a trick for someone who's gone through the same experience as me. So I basically got my hair cut into a short bob in the month of November last year, and the hairstylist used a razor on the back of my neck, which means that I have these tiny hair strands growing, if you can tell. Yeah, they are beyond annoying, especially when I have to pull my hair back. They show and come off, which looks extremely messy and not like clean at all. So if you are someone who's growing out your hair and has short hair on the nape of your neck and longer on the head, this trick works beautifully. So what I do is I basically tie it as a ponytail on the back. I'm going to section my hair into two sections. One is this big section right here, which I'm going to put together on the top. This is also a cute hairstyle, by the way. So I'm just going to take a hair tie. If you guys can see, someone see, yeah. So I'm just going to take a hair tie and I'm going to tie my hair at the nape of my neck like this. Take all that hair and make sure that nothing is coming out. Tighten it. So we have a tiny little pony right here. So cute. But let's open this and section our hair for the second time using a tail comb. You can use any comb, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to section my hair like this, just the crown area. Now, taking a little bit of that Arata cream that I talked about earlier, I'm just going to take a little bit. A little goes a long way. And I'm going to apply it on my hair, only on the crown of my hair. Don't need it anywhere else, just the crown of my hair is perfect. Yeah, it just merges. It's almost like a hair cream, so it just merges with the rest of your hair. It just gets absorbed very quickly. Now I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to brush my hair in the upward direction, so like this. Just secure all that hair on the top. And take the back as well. Now that I have my hair in my hands, I'm going to use a boar brush, which basically helps in taming your hair. I'll link this one in the description box below, and I'm just going to run it over and create a very smooth effect. And I'm going to use a hair tie and tie my hair into a pony. For now, it's just a regular pony that I've tied. I like to leave it at that. We're going to work with the front right now. I'm going to open all of these pins that I had put. There you go. And there are a bunch of hairstyles that you can make off of this. I can even do a beautiful side hairstyle, which basically means that my hair goes like this all the way to the back. So this becomes one hairstyle, which looks quite pretty. And because we're currently talking about the sleek hairstyle, the hair bun, I'm going to divide this into two because this is a center hairstyle. Okay, let me divide this into two using the tail comb. Now I'm going to divide the section into two. So this is what it looks like. I could just walk around like this. I see a lot of people do that. It looks absolutely... I'm going to take a little bit of the cream that I talked about earlier and apply it on the crown of my hair again. And you know how sometimes you get those last minute invitations where you need to have dinner with someone and you've just applied a lot of oil? This hairstyle works perfectly for that. Anyways, now we're going to use the boar brush and push it to the back and secure it with the bobby pins that I talked about, like this. The same thing I'm going to do with the second side with the brush to tame it and secure it. The clips are there here. Now you're left with these two ends. All you're going to do is open your pony and include these two ends also into the pony. I mean, at least that's how I do it. Now let me show you how I do this in the back. So this is the hair. I have it in a pony. I'm just going to tie it tightly. Now I like to leave my hair like this. You guys can do it however you like it. And I also like to open the tic tacs that I had secured my hair with. So there you go, guys. This is done. All I need to do is just use the brush to put my hair in the back. Just go over it once. Make sure there are no flyaways. That's it. Your hairstyle is done. In case you have flyaways, even after using the cream or the gel or whatever product you guys end up using, you can apply a little bit of hairspray and make sure that your hair is pulled back into the sleek bun situation. So that's about it, guys. I will be doing a lot of festive hairstyles in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. All the products that I have used in this video will be linked in the description box below. There's barely anything that I've used in this video. The only thing that I need to link is the Arata hair cream, which is pretty good. And if you guys are looking for a good hairbrush, I will link that as well. This has worked pretty well, but I also have a black one which is harder. So if you have thicker hair and you need a little bit more support in making sure that your hair is pulled back in a sleek bun, I will share that as well. If you still have any questions with regards to this particular video, you can always leave me a comment. And if you want to share pictures, you can send me DMs on Instagram. I will link my Instagram account right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Until then, keep it stylish and always look and feel like $1,000,000. I'll see you.